Some Metro FM listeners are concerned about Somizi's coughing. We know also Somizi has a cold, and he even addressed that on Instagram. Bear in mind, he doesn't have coronavirus. I repeat, he doesn't have coronavirus. So this is not about him having coronavirus. I don't want you to get me wrong and come for me. So one user said, at Somizi, you must get well, my brother. Your cough is worrying. And it's normal because with everything that's happening with the coronavirus, fans are allowed to, voice out what they feel, Another user said, Somizi just coughed and Lerato and Dineo are so frustrated now. Sanitizer, please. Because don't forget, it's not just him in the studio. He's got, other people that he works with. I'm a colleague's worker. Another person said, Somizi, ngati your days are numbered. They're not numbered. I don't believe they're numbered. But I do believe it was if it means, Somizi taking a break a bit and staying home until he gets better, that's what should be done, because it's not only about his health, but the people around him as well. And I repeat, this video is not about him having coronavirus. It's about him, it's about viewers, basically, listeners, voicing out their opinions and saying, hey, bro, we love you, we support you, we got your back, but please stay at home a bit until you get better. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, like and share this video.
So guys, I'm at a private hospital to do tests for the coronavirus, but I also have my chest, I'm coughing, so you never know. But then I get here and then I ask, how much is it? They go 1,000, 4,005. That broke my heart, because I'm like, I ask, what happens to people who can afford it? They go, no, there's public hospitals and da. But I live around here and nearby places like Deep Snoot, Cosmos City.
How are you?
I'm good, dog.
I'm great.
I'm great, thanks. Let me finish this video. So I asked her, then what does this mean for people who have either no clinics around or can't afford? Why is it that expensive, to test for something that is an epidemic and it's a national crisis or a crisis, the entire world? And I feel that something needs to be done about that. One, even if I can afford it, I think that's too much. One. Two, and I think they should start implementing things in place, because it might get worse. Are we ready for it? Shouldn't there be mobile clinics and stuff where it's either done at a very affordable price or for free? I think this is where the Department of Health and the presidency needs to really step in and do something about it, because not everyone has access to proper clinics or hospitals, and not everyone can afford to pay anything. And I don't think people should pay to get tested for something like this. My take.